David, what's the date?
November 8th, 2013.
Not November.
Sorry, December.
December 8th, 2013. It's our
first snow day.
Our first what?
Snow day.
Okay, ready? Go.
One more. Now, it's time to show you a wipeout where you fall off your board.
All right, bud, way to go.
One more. See if I can get farther. Set, go. I got farther.
Don't walk over your track, though. Did you hear me? Try not to walk over your track.
Okay. Now that was another wipeout.
Yeah, it appears that way.
Just smash into the tree.
Did you beat it?
It's good.
All right, let me go look for the snowball things. Say bye.
Okay.